My name is John David. I'm with West County EMS and Fire, and today we're going to do some respectful entry and through the lock techniques. We're going to be working on a double door with the Panic hardware. For this door, we're going to use the J tool or the double door tool. So the idea is we'll either gap the door, or if the door is already wide enough, we can slide the tool in, bring it down to that Panic hardware, and then we basically just pull back and the door opens up. Close it back up and it's still locked.